Today, I'm showing you how to turn off app notifications completely on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the Settings app on your Android device. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top and tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Navigate to Notifications. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find Notifications or Notifications in Status Bar. Tap on it to access notification settings. Step 3. Open App Notifications. At the top of the notification screen, tap on App Notifications, Manage Notifications, or App Settings. This shows a list of all apps installed on your device. Step 4. View All Apps. You'll see a complete list of every app on your phone. Apps are typically listed alphabetically. You can also see how many notifications each app has sent recently. Step 5. Disable notifications for specific apps. Scroll through the list and find the app you want to disable notifications for. Next to each app name, you'll see a toggle switch. Tap the toggle to turn it off for any app whose notifications you want to stop. The switch will turn gray when disabled. Step 6. Repeat for multiple apps. Continue scrolling through the list and turn off the toggle for every app you don't want to receive notifications from. You can disable as many apps as you want. There's no limit. Step 7. Verify changes. Once you've disabled notifications for all your desired apps, exit Settings. You should no longer receive notifications from those apps. Manage individual app notification settings. For more detailed control, tap on an app name instead of just using the toggle. This opens advanced notification settings where you can allow some notification types but not others, turn off notification sounds only, disable notification badges, stop pop-up notifications, control lock screen notifications. Why turn off app notifications? Disabling app notifications helps reduce distractions, saves battery life, and gives you more control over when you check apps instead of being constantly interrupted. Re-enable. And that's it. You've successfully turned off app notifications on your Android device. You can now enjoy a distraction-free experience without constant notification interruptions.